Hello, fourth grade. This is teacher Souad. Today we are going to read from our learning book, page number 14 to 15. Let's open our learning book and read this lesson together. This lesson today is talking about the moon. Our lesson is today is talking about the moon. The moon means, yes, good, it's القمر. So, did you know that? هل تعلم? Did you know that the moon is 1 to 4 the size of Earth? تقريبا حجمه ربع حجم الأرض الكرة الأرضية. Temperatures درجة الحرارة on the moon sometimes أحيانا reach 123 Celsius in sunlight. في النهار أثناء ضوء النهار بتكون درجة حرارته 123 سلسيوس. And sometimes drop to ترتفع to 153 Celsius on the dark في الليل. So on the dark side of the moon في الجزء المعتم من القمر on the dark side of the moon في الجزء المعتم من القمر بتكون درجة الحرارة 153 سلسيوس. بس في جزء السانلايت أثناء ضوء الشمس بتكون 123 سلسيوس. ملاحظين شغلة إنه أثناء النهار لما يكون في ضوء الشمس بتكون أقل بتكون 123 سلسيوس. But on the dark side الجزء المعتم من القمر بيكون 153 سلسيوس. Okay, this one is the first information that we had about the moon. Okay, I will read it again and then we will move to the next one. So the moon is 1 to 4 the size of, or a quarter we can say, ربع, the size of Earth. Temperatures درجات الحرارة on the moon sometimes reach 123 Celsius in sunlight أثناء النهار and sometimes drop to 153 Celsius on the dark side of the moon في الجزء المعتم من القمر. Okay, number 2. We will move to the gravity. Gravity, it means الجاذبية. So the gravity of the moon is 1 to 6 of the gravity on Earth. جاذبية تقريبا على سطح القمر سدس جاذبية على سطح الأرض. So you always weigh much less on the moon. كتير وزنك بقل، الوزن بيكون أقل على سطح القمر. Imagine تخيل. Imagine how far you could jump on the moon. It's impossible. مستحيل. You can't jump on the moon because your body will fly up so that you are losing weight, so that you can't even walk. So how could you imagine that you can't jump? ما بتقدر تمشي على القمر لحتى تقدر تنط. So for example, if you weigh 35 kilograms إذا وزنك تقريبا 35 كيلو on Earth على الأرض, so you will weigh 5.8 kilograms on the moon. وزنك رح يصير تقريبا 5.8 kilogram على سطح القمر. So here firstly we talked about the temperature on the moon. Secondly we talked about the gravity on the moon, that your weight is not as the same on the Earth. مش نفس الشيء على الأرض. You lose your weight will become less أقل on the moon, so that you will never jump. You can't jump on the moon. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Who is this? Is it a scientist? Is it a doctor? Is it a teacher? Is it a photo of a teacher? Is it a photo of a scientist? Yeah, it's a photo of an astronaut. Astronaut, it means اللي هو رجل فضاء. Let's read this paragraph. From Earth, we always see the same side of the moon. دائما وإحنا واقفين وإحنا على سطح الأرض لما نطلع على القمر بنشوف نفس جانب القمر. From all over the world, we have the same side of the moon. Okay, it appears a very bright white. إحنا دائما بنشوفه أبيض مضيء. But لكن its surface سطح القمر is actually dark. It's actually dark. في الحقيقة سطح القمر هو مؤتم جدا. So the moon is not round. Okay. So what else? The moon is not round also. القمر إحنا بنشوفه دائري لما يكون مكتمل. But no, it's not round دائري. It is not round, but it has the shape عنده شكل. هو إيش هو؟ the shape of an egg. the shape of an egg شكله بيكون شكله شبيه بشكل البيضة. the shape of an egg we can say oval بيضاوي. Okay, so finally at the third one we talked about how is the moon, how is the brightness of the moon. The brightness of the moon appears very bright white مضيء لونه أبيض, but actually في الحقيقة its surface سطح القمر is very dark. And we also talked about the shape of the moon. How is the shape of the moon? Excellent. Yes, it's not round. ليس دائري. Its shape, it has the shape of an egg. شكله مثل شكل البيضة. So we can say it's oval بيضاوي. Okay, now I want you to ask you a question. Imagine تخيل. So imagine that you are going to travel to the moon. What are you going to do there? تخيل إنه أنت حدا قال لك بدنا نطلعك على القمر. شو ممكن تعمل هناك؟ I just want you to write me 3 things that you could make, that you imagine that you will do on the moon if you go to the moon. Okay, now we will move to the Zoom application and we will discuss our lesson together tomorrow. Thank you for good listening. See you next time.